There's this video going on the use of onions and papaya to grow natural hair. So in this video I'm going to try this recipe, this spray on my hair for good 1 week. I'm going to tell you the result. I'm going to tell you if there is any side effect, and I'm going to tell you the time you are supposed to keep this juice for a healthy growth. So do not go anywhere. If you're also curious like as I am, let's give it a try. Let's try the onion and then the papaya leaves to promote hair growth. I still don't understand why I keep on saying papaya. I don't know if someone is going to give me food from papaya, because I keep on repeating myself, papaya, papaya, and I know definitely I'll still say papaya throughout the video. Forgive me if I say papaya. I know, because here we used to call it pawpaw leaves, so papaya is not something like we usually say it. Okay, so in this video I'm not going to say that pawpaw leaves do this or do that to the hair, at least not for now. Now we are testing the potency of pawpaw leaves and then the potency of onion juice on the hair. So I'm not going to be stating the things that I saw on the internet or the things that I haven't tested. Right now this is a test video, and for that reason we need to observe very well, and then at the end of the video we are going to find out if what people are saying about the papaya leaves is true, or if what people are saying about the onion juice is also true or not. So I'll stay put a little, and then maybe at the end of the video or along the video we'll be making a little observations. Yes, so in the video I'll be forwarding most of it, especially because this video is going to be a repetitive video because of the application, especially the spraying of the juice on the hair is something that is going to repeat itself for the next 7 days. So it's going to be more of speed. It's going to be more on speed. Yes, and when it comes to the observations too, maybe I'm going to slow it down. So where the information is very, very crucial, I'm going to slow it down so that you get a full understanding of what is going on in this video. But until then, let us observe very well. Let us observe very well as the video keeps on going, and then at the end of the video I'll also draw my own conclusion about the application of the onion juice and then the papaya leaves on the hair, guys. So do not go anywhere, and please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do want to subscribe to this channel, and like the video. If there is any question that I might or will not be able to answer, prompt me in the comment section and I'm going to answer that question for you. So in her video she talked about 2 methods of getting the juice out of the plants and the onions. She talked about the blending method and this method. She actually went with this method, so I wanted everything to be like hers, so I'm going with the same method as she used for her video. That is the grating and then the washing of the leaves to extract the juice from it. So before I used 1 leaf, but I realized that my juice is very light, so I have to add another leaf to make it very thick. After then, put it in my bottle and then we start with my application. But before that you need to shake it, because when the juice sits it settles down. So this is the time, is on Tuesday on the 5th of May. So that is the time I started this application. I needed to take track of everything, because at the end of the 7 days, I'm going to show you the date as well, so that you know that through this video is being recorded within 7 days. So now let's try to measure the length of my hair at this point. Since we are trying to test the potency of the product that we're using on the hair, we need to take track of every little information. So I'll measure the hair, and I got 10.7. So I'm starting with a 10.7 centimeters hair length. So at the end of the video, we're going to find out the number of inch or centimeters that added up to the 10.7. So after you have sprayed this juice on your hair, it's going to leave your hair very dry, and dryness is going to cause itching. So because of that, you have to put in some oil or a moisturizer. You can even go with a shea butter. This is just going to moisturize the hair. It is going to stop the hair from being dry. Okay, so when you use the juice on the hair, you need to add oil or a moisturizer. I'm adding the oil or moisturizer because I'm not going to do a wash. I'm not going to wash the hair after applying the juice. So I'm doing a leave-in. Since I'm doing a leave-in, then I need to seal in the product that I have added to the hair. If I'm supposed to do a wash after the application like the one she did in the video, there is no need adding the oil, because after washing I'm definitely going to put in some oils and moisturizer in my hair. But we are doing a 1 week full leave-in on the hair, so you need to add oil to the hair. So it is going to go like this: day 1, day 2, up to the 7th day. So far, this is the 3rd day. This is the day of continuous application. So far, so good. This is how the hair is looking. Yes, so this is the 3rd day. We call the hair. Unfortunately, I have to throw this one away. Yeah, don't want me to go away. Okay, I'm gonna see it tomorrow for our 4th application. So this is the 4th day, guys. So I had the no juice. Yeah. Okay, guys, this is the 5th day. This is the 5th day. All right. So cool. Two more days to go. So this is the sixth day. Oh. Okay, guys. So we have finally come to the end of our 7 days test. This is the time. So it's 11th year, 11th May, and then to my conclusion. Now, first of all, let me show you how my hair has become. Okay, so this is the hair that we started. Look at the growth. Can you see the growth? Can you see the growth, guys? Can you see what I'm seeing here? Okay, see, the growth is just so marvelous. Look at the growth. This is just a 1 week hair. Look at it. This is a 1 week hair. It's a 1 week hair. Look at the growth. And this did not only grow the hair, the shine, it added shine to this hair. And the thickness in the hair, the thickness in the hair. And also, this mix does not itch. My hair did not itch. The itch minus itch. And with the preservation, if you want the video on my third application, I said I was getting rid of the remaining juice. That is because you cannot keep the juice up to more than 3 days. And since I wanted this juice to be very, very effective, I decided to go with 2 days because you can only keep the juice for 2 to 3 days. And I wanted the juice to be very, very effective. So I kept it in the fridge for 2 days. So on the second day after application, I discard that juice and I made a new juice. So you can only preserve this for 3 days or 2 days. After 3 days, the potency in the juice is going to reduce. So you can't keep it for long. Can babies use this juice? The answer is no. Babies cannot use it. Onion is very, very strong. You can't use onion juice on a baby. So for us to know the exact amount of inch that was added to this hair, I'm going to measure it again. So I use this part for the first measurement. So I'm going to take this down and I'm going to measure it again and see the number of inch, the growth that has been added to my hair. Let's see. I need to see this in the mirror. Because I don't know if I'm supposed to. Guys, oh my god. Guys, look at it. Oh, guys, look at it. I need a clear. No, before we had this is the length. Oh, guys, no, before it was 10.7 centimeters. Now I'm having 12. Oh my god. Okay, so now we can testify that this application, this juice is a mega growth. Is a mega growth, guys. I'm just surprised. Like